Yesterday, Tesla broke out of this range bound over the last couple of weeks on news that the first Cybertruck rolled off the assembly line in Texas at their Gigafactory. This is the Tesla Cybertruck rolling off the ramp from the assembly line. They're only supposed to produce 10,000 Cybertrucks this year, with volume to pick up in 2024 to the tune of 100,000 Cybertrucks. Now, what's interesting is that they have 1.5 million reserves. All of that won't be materialized into trucks. But nevertheless, after 4 years, it's finally become real. Now let's get into some of the features on the Cybertruck. All right, let's go to their website. This is the tesla.com/Cybertruck. Now, when it comes to the versatility, so up to 3,500 pounds of payload capacity, adjustable air suspension with 100 cubic feet of exterior lockable storage. The ability to pull near infinite mass and towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds. Raised and lower suspension, 4 inches in either direction for easy access to Cybertruck or the Vault, while self-leveling capabilities adapt to any occasion and assist with every job. Seat 6 comfortably with additional storage under the second row seating, complete with advanced 17-inch touchscreen with an all-new customized user interface. From rugged to refined, Cybertruck is completely adaptable to your needs. Now, why is Tesla getting into the truck business? Well, it generates a lot of cash for the big three, in particular Ford, which is why they stopped making sedans and started to focus on their trucks and SUVs. Based on Trifis estimates, the vehicle could add over $5 billion to the company's revenue by 2026. This would be roughly 50% of the company's 2020 revenue. However, it's going to be hard to convert existing non-Tesla lovers. Ford has a huge loyalty with the F-150 as an example. So going down the bullet points, Trafis assumes Tesla will garner 1% of the total volumes of the top 5 players combined in 2024, with that number growing to 3% by 2026. Again, they do have 1.5 million reservations. So they expect the Cybertruck revenues to grow from 1.7 billion next year to 5 billion by 2026. They assume the sticker price is going to be $55K, but it's probably going to be closer to at least $70K. Now the big news is tomorrow, Tesla announces their earnings. And as you can see, prices pulling back. So you have an inside day. which means tomorrow we can gap up or down in either direction. It's going to be less about their revenue. It's going to be more about the margins. I have a $300 stock price target. However, it happens to pull back on earnings to 275. That'll be an opportunity to go long. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.